Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Luke with Anything Scout. I'm here to talk to you today about a truck we just got done. It's 1978 Scout 2. Customer's dad bought it brand new in the lot, 78. He had it for a while and then passed it on to his son as heirloom. And when he got it, he wanted to do a full restoration, make it just the way it was. So we did original paint, original shadow stripe, got the original rally wheels, did a few upgrades including freshening up the interior, new Corbeau seats, wrapped the dash, door panels, and among other things it got an LS swap. So it's a little better fuel mileage, a little more power, a little more fun. We always get the comments, that truck looks sweet, what kind of lift and tires you got on it. So on this, we got a 2.5-inch spring lift with a 4-inch shackle. And then we're sitting on 32, 11.5, 15 BFG all-terrains. Pretty fresh. Keep that good MPG road noise down, but if you decide to hit the trails, you have a little bit of traction. Those are our preferred tire on our builds. Got a classic look, good feel, and they perform and handle great. So if you're wondering, hold your comments on YouTube. That's what we got. On every restoration we do, we go with new lenses all the way around. Got brand new marker lights, brand new tail lenses. This one actually had pretty good chrome bezels, so we cleaned those up. It's had nice straight bumpers, so we got those re-chrome, really make it pop. Our mirrors of choice are these retro mirrors we sell on our site. You can get them in this chrome or a black finish. With a classic truck like this, we prefer the chrome just to really keep that classic look and feel. New seals all throughout. Try and keep it as tight and dry and weather resistant as we can. They are Scouts, but we do our best to upgrade them. So we got a 4th gen 5.3 liter, all OBD2, so if something goes wrong, it pops up a little code. You can plug in your own code reader, take it down to any mechanic, and they'll be able to tell you what's up. With these engines, honestly, we love these engines. They run for 300,000 miles, pretty standard. So on these kits, we make our own custom motor mounts to locate everything. We worked with a company called Wizard Cooling to develop this radiator, so it's meant for a Scout, meant for an LS engine. Bolts right in. Air intake kit, all the stuff we're kind of working to perfect to make this as clean of an install as possibly can, make it OEM status. Alright, welcome to the interior. The outside may matter to everybody else, but when you're driving, ooh, this is your chariot. So we got brand new Corbeau seats here, and then we recovered the dash here. This little elbow pad, door panels, recover the original rear seat to match. So getting all custom, but keeping it as original as possible. When we do these LS swaps, we utilize the original shifters to, again, when you hop in this thing, you'd have no idea it's any different, except for when you get on the accelerator pedal and you're roasting tires rolling down the road. Freshen it all up. When you do the floors and everything, we put some sound deadening on there for sound, and then also for heat from the transmission and exhaust. So it gets a couple layers of sound deadening, carpet kit, then we throw in these floor mats just to when you get in those sticky situations. On this truck, we got just a basic roll bar. We put our extended legs on it so we can get 3-point seat belts in the front and in the rear. So everybody's traveling in safety here. Upgraded dome light in the front here, original one in the rear. Check this out over here. It's a little lockable container. Fit a couple quarts of oil, some gloves, anything you want back there. Nice little upgrade, but clean little install.